Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going on an adventure to learn about one of the most fascinating birds in the animal kingdom, the cassowary. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird native to Australia and New Guinea. It's a member of the ratite family, which also includes ostriches, emus, and kiwis. With its distinctive casque or crest on its head and its powerful legs, the cassowary is an impressive sight to behold. But what makes this bird so significant in the natural world? Let's dive into its evolutionary history to find out. The cassowary has been around for millions of years, with fossil records dating back to the Pleistocene era. It's believed to have evolved from a common ancestor with other ratite, and over time, it developed unique characteristics that allowed it to thrive in its environment. One of the most interesting things about the cassowary is its casque, which is thought to be used for communication, mating, and even defense. But what's really fascinating is that the casque is made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and nails. It's classified as Cassowarius, SPPP, but with three main species: the southern cassowary, the northern cassowary, and the dwarf cassowary. These birds can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 100 pounds, making them one of the largest birds in the world. They're found in tropical rainforests, mangrove swamps, and even grasslands, where they feed on fruits, leaves, and small animals. But what's really interesting about the cassowary is its unique digestive system. It has a specialized gut that allows it to break down cellulose in plant material, making it one of the few birds that can eat plants with high fiber content. This is thanks to the help of microbes in its gut, which work together to extract nutrients from its food. In fact, studies have shown that the cassowary's gut microbiome is similar to that of cows and other ruminants, which is pretty amazing considering they're birds. One study found that these birds play a crucial role in seed dispersal in their ecosystems. By eating fruits and then depositing the seeds in new locations, often in a pile of nutrient-rich dung, the cassowary helps to spread plant species throughout the forest. In fact, it's estimated that the cassowary is responsible for dispersing over 100 plant species in the Australian rainforest alone. But the cassowary doesn't just interact with plants, it also has complex relationships with other animals. For example, it has a symbiotic relationship with certain species of fungi, which help to break down toxic compounds in the plants it eats. This mutualistic relationship is essential for the cassowary's survival, as it allows them to access nutrients that would otherwise be unavailable. Additionally, cassowaries have been observed interacting with other birds, like the currawong, which will often follow them and feed on the insects and small animals that are disturbed by the cassowary's movements. Unfortunately, cassowary populations are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. The destruction of their habitats has reduced the availability of food and shelter, making it harder for these birds to survive. Climate change is also altering the distribution of plants and animals in the ecosystem, which can disrupt the delicate balance of relationships that cassowaries have with other species. As we conclude our journey into the world of the cassowary, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking insight. These incredible birds remind us of the intricate web of relationships that exists within ecosystems. By studying the cassowary and its place in the natural world, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving biodiversity. But before we go, let's talk about some of the conservation efforts that are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. In Australia, for example, there are programs to restore habitats and reduce fragmentation, which can help to increase cassowary populations. Additionally, researchers are working to develop new methods for monitoring cassowary populations, using techniques like camera traps and genetic analysis. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.